Today we're making cassava cake. The ingredients you'll need are shredded cassava. You can shred it yourself or you can buy it shredded for you. It's optional if you want to shred it yourself. 2 eggs, coconut milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk, butter, 1/4. We're gonna melt that later. And maca puno string. It's optional if you want to add it. If you want to add it, then you can add it. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. Now it's time to mix all of the ingredients. First, add the evaporated milk. Second, add the coconut milk. Oops. Put it closer to the liquid because you don't want it splashing all over you. The maca puno. The reason why we only added half of the condensed milk is because we're going to add the rest of the condensed milk on top of the cassava cake. And after this is all mixed well together, I can add the cassava. Mix it well. Make sure there's no butter pieces left. Now that we're done mixing our ingredients, we can add the cassava. But wait. First, you have to put the cassava in a strainer because you don't want the cassava to be too watery. The cassava will still have some leftover juice, so you want to let the cassava rest for a bit so that some of the water comes out. As you can see, some of the water from the cassava has come out. Now let's add the cassava. And now mix it. Mix it slow so the juice won't fly. While I was mixing, my parents already put the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to add banana leaves on our cooking tray so it can add more flavor and it will make the cassava cake not stick to the cooking tray. But before we do that, my mom is going to blanch the banana leaves. So so it won't have any germs or anything else on it. This is how you blanch the leaves, and this is how you do it the old-fashioned way in the Philippines. Now we're going to wipe the banana leaf. This is what it looks like once it's finished. Now we're going to put the cassava mixture in the cooking tray with the banana leaves that have been on the stove and wiped with a paper towel. Now we're going to set the cassava cake mixture in the oven for 45 minutes. Now that the cassava cake is cooked, we can start adding our leftover condensed milk. Now spread it with a spatula. And spread it everywhere in those edges too. There. Now add some cheese. Optional if you want some cheese, it's optional. But if you like cheese, then I guarantee you add cheese to yours. It's yummier with some cheese on the cassava cake because it gives it like a more chewy texture, and it also gives it a creamy taste. And put the cassava cake back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Now the cassava cake has been cooking for 10 minutes. Now you can take it out. And the cheese has melted, which is good. Oh, it looks so perfect. And it's not that brown. Now it's time to taste. That's good. It has like a lot of flavor, and the cheese makes it chewy, and the cream cheese, the condensed milk also makes it have a creamier taste, and the cheese is also very good. We kind of also like let it out for a bit so the cheese can have like a chewy texture with the condensed milk. It makes it like have also like a crunchy texture, the makapuno. I really recommend this cassava cake for you if you really like sweets, because it's also sweet. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified when I post my next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!